Oh, we've had an informative kōrero with Carl and Brad and the wider team on what the Rangitata restoration project entails, which has been quite informative. And yeah, while we're at the bottom end of the river at the moment, they've covered what's happening right into the upper reaches, right through. So yeah, it's always interesting to see how it all ties together with pest control and plantings and fencing in particular in the upper reaches. I've heard and known about McKinnon's Creek for some time but never been here, and yeah, there's a lot of work going on here obviously, and it's looking very, very good, and I see the plans for the future sound very exciting as well to slowly work their way up and remove more of the willows and replace with native species, which should be great to see.
It's really interesting. It's clearly ambitious. So what we're looking at is what are the opportunities to replicate this across our district, across the Ashburton district. We've obviously got the two big rivers either side of us, and then we've got the Ashburton and the Hekio Hines rivers. So what learnings, what knowledge sharing opportunities are there that we can take back into our communities?
And with a committee, you know, you always end up sitting in a room discussing things, so it's really good to get out and about, and we try and do that. And I'm excited about the way these organisations are working together, and I do think there's a future here.